Hi guys, welcome, it's Zuza. My plans for this vlog got a little bit destroyed by the weather, to be honest, because at Tuesday I took a day off to go to Warsaw with my boyfriend because he had the appointments there. It was raining and windy all day, so even if I wanted to shoot some content in Warsaw, it was basically impossible because in one hand I had to hold the umbrella and in the other hand I had some shopping, so I couldn't even carry my camera, and I basically shot a few clips that you saw in a restaurant and in a cafe that we went to, and after that we had to go home because we were tired and cold and the weather was terrible, so unfortunately I didn't get to shoot the Warsaw content as I wanted, but we will have to go again, and maybe the weather will be better because it's already middle of May, and maybe we'll go at the beginning of June or something, so I'm hoping that I will get to shoot more when we go again, because Warsaw is beautiful and there is a lot of cool places there to visit, and restaurants, cafes, and a lot of fun things to do, so I hope I will go there more often. One thing that we did in Warsaw that I wanted to show you was to shop in Uniqlo, because in Łódź we don't have this shop, and I think the one in Warsaw is the only one in Poland. I'm not sure if there is Uniqlo in any other cities. You can let me know. I wanted to show you what I bought there, because I bought a few cool stuff, and also my today's look is a little bit crazy because I bought this new hair waver, and I'm trying it with different stuff. So I put this hairband. Man, it's one of my favorite things recently. I ordered another one that is silk, and this one is from H&M, and it's like a lace one, and it looks very cute. How do Uniqlo have a good like basics? So I bought two t-shirts, and one is white and one is black because I kind of want to try them. I mean, more like they are good fit, but I want to try if they are really a good quality. So after a few washes, I'm especially curious about the white one, if it will be gray after a few washes, because I have this problem with white t-shirts that basically every season I need to buy a new ones, because after one season of wearing it in summer, because I wear white t-shirts mostly in the summer because it's hot, they are getting gray. So basically these are like two simple t-shirts. This one is white. They are 100% cotton, and if someone is curious, is this model, I think this Uniqlo U, that's the model, I'm not sure, and they cost 14.90 euros, 69.90 Polish zloty. So it's not that much for a basic t-shirt, because the one in COS, for example, they cost I think 160. So we will see if they will be good quality. So that's the white one, and I bought the same model, black, also medium, but it's kind of, you know, not black, which kind of annoys me. It's kind of washed off black, but I couldn't find it black. You know what I mean? So there is also medium, and they cost the same basic t-shirts. So another thing that I bought is this very cute jeans jacket with this different collar, and also it has it here. I mean, I love it. They go with like 3 different colors, and it has like a zipper here. Maybe not for this dress, but yeah. I want to show you the back because the back is very cute. It has this thing here on the back that it make it kind of like a bomber jacket from the back. And here is like, you can zip it until here. Oh, I really like it. I think it's very cute. And it has pockets. So yeah, that was one of the things that I already kind of stock on the internet, and I knew I wanted to buy it. And this one, it's also medium, and it cost 49.90 euros, so 229.90 Polish zloty. Yeah, that's the coat or whatever. Yeah, jersey barrel leg trousers. So these are like a very creamy color jeans, and they are in this barrel leg, so they are a little bit more big here in the ass and thighs, which is good because I have a big ass. And they are a little bit smaller here in the legs, but they are still kind of like a wide. And I was afraid, to be honest, to try them on, but they look really good in the, like, I have medium, and I would say I am in like medium size right now, so I was afraid I would look too fat, but I think this barrel fit kind of fits most of the people. So, and they also have these cute back pockets that are kind of making it more interesting. I'm not sure about the color. They have many different colors, and if I will like this one, maybe I will buy more colors. I'm not sure about the color because I don't really wear light color pants. That's my first ones that I bought. But I saw a lot of styles on the girls with this kind of pants color, and I thought maybe I will try as well. So yeah, that was this. And this pants costs 39.90 euro and 179.90 Polish zloty. I love that they have here like the whole sizing in inches, so you can really check waist, how much centimeters, so you can really check if the size will fit you. Unfortunately, I don't have much content from Warsaw because, as I mentioned, there was a terrible weather. But yeah, I will try to go there again and maybe record more, and also we would like to meet up with some of our friends in Warsaw. So definitely there will be something coming from Warsaw vlog. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you like my little Uniqlo shopping haul, and I see you in the next one.